number of confirmed pertussis cases in the Missoula area has now risen to 113. Missoula City County health officials report that whooping cough cases are being reported across all ages, from infants to adults. Additionally, the duration of the outbreak means it's possible for people who were exposed earlier in the outbreak to be re-exposed. Health officials caution that people who have been exposed and have symptoms must stay away from school or work and avoid contact with others until test results come back negative or until they have completed 5 days of antibiotics. The Missoula Health Department is continuing to work closely with schools to identify close contacts of confirmed cases. Confirmed whooping cough cases have also been reported in approximately 20 schools, including the Florence and Frenchtown school districts.